Today I'm going to talk about the ion namings, how it's going to be explained in easier way. Let us see. Well, the chemistry class. Okay, so today we will be talking about ions naming. So today I will explain about how we're gonna name the ions. Alright, so let's get started. So if you find like there is a suffix like IDE, ITE and ATE, these are the suffix you will find. Okay, so it's basically okay. So here you can write nitrite. Its formula is just N3 minus, and then when we write about nitrite, it will be, the formula will be NO2 minus 1. Sorry, minus 1. When we write nitrate, here you can see suffix AT, which formula going to be your NO3 minus 1. Okay, so here you can see there is no oxygen. No oxygen. Here intermediate oxygen is present. Oxygen. And the last one, nitrate, maximum oxygen is present. Maximum oxygen is present. Okay, the same way, if you write like this type of ion, so let me just change the color so that it will be easier. Okay, so this is about sulfide. Okay, and then it is your sulfide and sulfate. What is the formula? Sulfide formula will be S2 minus, and for this sulfide SO3 2 minus. Okay, sulfate SO4 2 minus. So here there is no oxygen, SO3 intermediate oxygen, and SO4 2 minus sulfate, there is maximum oxygen. So basically you can see the basically you can see the suffix IDE, ITE and ATE. Sulfide, sulfite and sulfate. Similarly, if you find for other ions, so I would write, so here, let's go. Which element go? Phosphide. Okay, which formula will be written P minus 3 ions, and phosphite, which formula will be PO3 3 minus, and phosphate, which formula will be PO4 3 minus. Can you show last suffix IED? Okay, you can see there is IDE without oxygen, ITE where intermediate oxygens are present, and then ATE it's for sulfate. So these are the ion. Basically students get confused, so you always remember, if it is phosphide then there will be no oxygen, there will be no oxygen. If IET phosphide, then intermediate oxygen, intermediate oxygen. If there is ATE at the last of this word, then you can say it is phosphate, and there is maximum oxygen is present. This is the way you can find it out about the ions.